Have a Cryptra encrypted file and need to access the contents securely? This is a file encrypted using Cryptra encryption software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Cryptra encrypted files. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky Cryptra file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. Cryptra files are encrypted files created by Cryptra encryption software, providing secure file storage through cryptographic protection. They contain user data encrypted with passwords or keys protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access, while requiring the original Cryptra application for decryption and use. Cryptra files use Cryptra's proprietary encryption format, combining strong cryptographic algorithms with file metadata. The format includes encryption headers, initialization vectors, and authenticated encryption, ensuring both confidentiality and integrity of protected data while preventing tampering or unauthorized modification. The most widely recognized opener for Cryptra is unequivocally Cryptra from BMB software. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows provides no readable preview, so the correct decryption method is required for access. Your most crucial first action is the file association test. Right-click the Cryptra file and choose Open With. If Cryptra is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If your Cryptra file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, decrypting with Cryptra. Install Cryptra encryption software from its developer source. Launch the application and use the decrypt function to open the Cryptra file. Enter the correct password or provide the decryption key when prompted. Cryptra decrypts the file, restoring it to its original unencrypted state for normal use. Next, password recovery. If you've forgotten the encryption password attempt, password recovery using any password, hints, documentation, or password managers where you may have stored credentials. Cryptra typically does not include backdoor recovery mechanisms, making strong password documentation essential for long-term encrypted file access. Finally, migrating to modern encryption. For long-term security, consider migrating from Cryptra to modern encryption tools like VeraCrypt 7-Zip with AES encryption or Microsoft BitLocker. Decrypt Cryptra files first, then re-encrypt using current tools, providing better security, cross-platform compatibility, and ongoing software support. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagic is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagic.com has the download. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.